Future trends in lean management. Lean management is a philosophy that focuses on maximizing customer value while minimizing waste. It encompasses a set of principles, practices, and techniques aimed at improving processes and driving continuous improvement. Lean production techniques. As Industry 4.0 continues to gain momentum, organizations are leveraging technology to optimize their production processes. From automation and robotics to data analytics and artificial intelligence, lean production techniques. Agile lean management. Another future trend in lean management is the integration of agile principles. Agile lean management involves combining the flexibility and adaptability of agile methodologies with the efficiency and waste reduction of lean practices. Lean technology adoption. The future of lean management also revolves around the adoption of cutting-edge technologies. From cloud computing and Internet of Things, IoT, to virtual reality and blockchain, organizations are embracing digital transformation to enhance their lean initiatives. Lean problem solving and quality management. Continuous improvement lies at the heart of lean management, and in the future, organizations will need to place greater emphasis on lean problem solving and quality management. Lean innovation and development. In the future, organizations will need to foster a culture of experimentation, creativity, and risk-taking to spur lean innovation and development. Conclusion. In conclusion, as organizations navigate the complexities of today's business landscape, the future of lean management holds immense promise.